In this video, I am going to show you how to easily open applications folder in macOS Finder so that we can open any application very quickly. So let's see how we can do this thing. Once we are in the Mac, then we have to click on the Finder and it will bring like this type of screen. Now from here we have to click Go and then we can click the applications and the applications folder will be opened. Now we can see all the applications which are installed on my Mac, and to open any applications we can double click on top of it and then the application will be open. So this is a long way to access the applications folder, but there is another quick way we can do that. We can add applications folder inside this sidebar so that once we open the Finder we can directly click here, the applications window or folder will be opened shortly. So let's see how we can do this thing. To do this thing, at first we need to open the Finder. So I just opened the Finder and then we'll see this type of menus. From here we have to choose Finder. We just need to click here and it will pop up this type of menus. We just need to choose Settings. I'm going to click Settings and very shortly Settings window will be opened. It has a couple of tabs like General, Tags, Sidebar. Our plan is to add the applications folder inside this sidebar. So we have to go Sidebar and then we have to check this thing. Here I already have checked, that's why it is showing here. If I uncheck it, you'll see it's missing over there. So to make it visible over here, we just need to click this checkbox and then it will be checked and then we can close it. Now we can close it to test whether we are able to see that or not. Now I'm going to open the Finder and left side if we scroll we'll see the applications folder is there. If we click here, it will be popped up all the list of the applications, and that's it. In this way we can easily open applications folder in macOS Finder.